Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Uh, Ever wondered what the perfect Bluey gift is? 2025 has seen an explosion of Bluey themed goodies, and we're here to explore the best of the best. Bluey, the beloved Australian keeler pup, has captured hearts worldwide since her show debuted. Her relatable family adventures sort of resonate with children and adults alike. This year, the craze continues. Six brand new Bluey Lego sets launched in June. These aren't just any sets; they're miniature recreations of classic Bluey moments. From the ice cream trip to Bluey's beach and family car trip, each set captures the show's charm. And there's even a Bluey's family house with a built-in memory game. Uh, for the little ones, there are Duclos sets perfect for tiny hands. These sets focus on simple builds uh, and interactive play, ideal for toddlers. And so, beyond Lego, a personalized picnic playset lets you pack a Bluey themed lunch. Uh, and so it's not something that I would fight, not try immediately, but the the missing of a Bluey themed uh, labyrinth game offers a fun challenge for older kids. And and for bedtime, a cozy bedding set featuring Bluey and her family will complete any Bluey lover's room. Even a Bluey Bushland Adventure water playset to adds a splash of fun. Um, just make sure to keep it outside. What's the best thing about Bluey gifts? They're practically guaranteed to bring heaps of joy. With that said, thanks for watching, and